viewers, welcome back to a new episode. On today's episode, we're going to be making tandoori chicken.
So viewers, we're going to be using gun-style chicken.
So first, we're going to take our chicken and we're going to cut it so the meat is absorbed with the spices we add. So we're going to do this to the front and back. We're going to do this with all of them. The ingredients we're going to be needing for tandoori chicken are going to be turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon, ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, chili powder, 2 tablespoons, salt, 2 teaspoons, garam masala, 1 teaspoon, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, yogurt, 3 tablespoons, lime juice, 3 tablespoons, oil, 2 tablespoons, food coloring, 1 tablespoon, Kasuri methi leaf, 2 teaspoons. I'll be mixing all the ingredients now. Now this is the turmeric powder. Ginger garlic paste. Coriander powder. Chili powder. Salt, garam masala, cumin powder, yogurt, lemon juice, oil, food coloring, Kasuri methi. So now we have mixed and marinated the chicken very well. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
So welcome back everyone, and it has been 1 hour, and as you guys can see, the chicken has set in and marinated really well, and the chicken is really set. So this is perfect. I have brought the grill here to show you guys what I'm gonna do for the next step. I'm gonna take each piece of chicken and spread it across the grill. We're gonna preheat the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. And afterwards, we're gonna bake this at 40 minutes, each 20 minutes. So each side gets 20 minutes. We have put the chicken on the grill now, and it's time to go in the grill. Furthermore, we're gonna be making a very special garlic sauce that's gonna be going along with the tandoori chicken, and it's gonna be amazing. So the ingredients we're gonna be using for that is gonna be, we have 2 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic. We have 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper. We have 2 tablespoons of yogurt. We have 2 egg whites. And we have 8 tablespoons of oil. You can use any type of oil except coconut oil. And we have 2 pinches of salt. And we're gonna be having 4 tablespoons of vinegar to go along with all of these ingredients. So now that we have all the ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and blend all of them. Vinegar, black pepper,
Egg whites, yogurt, oil, garlic, and 2 chilies.
Now, let's get blending. This is a checkup on the chicken, and it's looking good so far.
So now we just took the white sauce out of the blender and it's looking perfect. Just waiting on the chicken now.
Now it has been 20 minutes, so we're gonna flip the sides of the chickens. It's looking delicious already. So guys, the chicken is ready. So we are finally done with the tandoori chicken. Just under 2 hours. We have white sauce and tandoori chicken. Let's dig in. As you guys see, the chicken is absolutely amazing. It's well done. And you know, sometimes when you cook meat, it's not really cooked well inside. So as you guys can see, it's really cooked well. And we're gonna take this, dip it in the sauce. Trust me once, guys, do this at home and you'll never forget this video. This is just amazing. When I say amazing, there's no lie in this. It's just so good. The masalas and the spices, everything is so enhanced right now. And the sauce that goes along with this chicken, it just, my God, it's amazing, guys. So this chicken is already mouth-watering and I don't want to wait any longer. So if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. If you guys love the content, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up and give me comments on what you guys think and how I should, you know, more videos you guys would like to see. And I'm open to ideas. I do all types of videos, as you guys would see in the near future. So that's going to be it for today, guys. See you on another episode. Peace.